Listen carefully. Did you hear that? The steering wheel squeaks, right? If you go to repair shop, guess how much money they dare to cheat you. Apparently this is a very simple repair, but it will cost at least $3,000 at the repair shop. I have been repairing cars for 30 years. Today I will tell you all. First, the steering wheel squeaks when you turn it. Don't spend money to replace the steering gear. You only need to spend $8 to replace the thrust bearing on the shock absorber. Problem solved immediately. Second, there is a squeaking sound when passing a speed bump. Don't spend money on chassis repairs. Spend $2 to replace the balance rubber cover. Problem solved immediately. Third, buzzing noise when driving at high speed. The faster the speed, the louder the noise. Don't check the engine and gearbox. Spend $30 to replace the wheel core bearing. It will be okay. Fourth, when the car makes a U-turn, it makes a clunking sound. Don't worry, just spend $20 to replace a new constant velocity joint. Problem solved immediately. Fifth, when the car is driving on the cement road, there is a dong-dong sound, like a drum. Spend $10 to replace the shock absorber core with a new one. Problem solved immediately. Sixth, screeching sound when starting the engine. No engine repairs needed. Let's find a bottle of water like this. Come here. Look, let's pour a little water on the belt. If the noise disappears, just tighten the belt and it will be okay. Seventh, it squeaks as soon as I step on the brakes. Don't spend money to fix the brakes. Find an open place to drive. Apply the brakes a few times. Solve problems without spending a penny.
Ooh.
How about it? Have you learned it? Follow me. My homepage has 1000 car knowledge.